Hey everyone and welcome. Today we are going to be doing another skincare video. I'm going to introduce you guys to something that I have recently incorporated into my skincare routine because you can do all the topicals and all of the serums that you want, but you need some devices. So I'm actually going to be talking about two different devices today. I've talked about one of them in the past, but this other one is brand new to me and I just want to tell you guys about it. This is the Amiro RF Skin Rejuvenation device and it's pretty cool. I had never tried anything like this before. This little device uses something called RF technology, radio frequency, and trust me, it sounds scary, but it's actually not. It's actually super gentle and super easy to use. So here's how it works. RF energy heats the deeper layers of your skin, which can help stimulate collagen production. Collagen is what keeps our skin firm and youthful, but as we age, unfortunately, our collagen levels naturally decrease. So devices like this will help wake it up again. Heat from the RF waves encourages your skin to rebuild itself, gradually improving firmness and reducing the appearance of fine lines. So using it is very simple. You definitely want to cleanse your face really, really well. And then you want to use, this is a hydrating, moisturizing serum gel, and this works really well. It just has a really nice consistency. And it will keep your skin super hydrated, and this is what you need when you're using the device. You definitely don't want to use it on a dry face because it just will not work. So once you turn it on, this guy's going to turn red, and then you're just going to go across the skin and it's going to make, oh, I've never done it on my hand before. It feels so weird. So the feeling is so weird. It's like hard to explain. Like you can feel it inside, like under your skin. It doesn't, I don't want to say it hurts. It's a very weird sensation. It almost feels like there's something like under your skin that's just kind of like tugging at it a little bit. Like, I don't know. It's so hard to explain, but it's a cool feeling. But you can definitely feel it. Like it's tightening your skin essentially. I will say though, when I do the areas around my eyes, sometimes it makes my eyes twitch and like close. So I have yet to get to the highest setting. So there's 5 different settings. I usually do like 2 or 3. Sometimes I'll do 3 if I'm doing like my jawline. But I have yet to get to the 5 because it can get pretty intense. So I definitely recommend starting low and then gradually increase. So then once you finish your face, like I just apply this gel to my whole entire face. I'll do the treatment and then you wipe it off. It's not really a gel you want to keep on. It's pretty thick and kind of sticky, so you definitely want to rinse it off. But I love how this thing over time is going to help your skin elasticity. It's going to help with fine lines and wrinkles, and it's just going to firm everything up. It's definitely not an overnight thing. You can tell a difference after you use it once, but it's going to take you, it's going to be consistent use that's really going to help you see your results. This device specifically targets the 3 key signs of aging, which are fine lines, skin laxity, and pigmentation. This will deliver comprehensive care for full face wrinkles, facial puffiness, sagging, dark circles, eye bags, and it'll visibly brighten and smooth your face. And it also has the V-line contouring for a firmer, more sculpted lower face. So this is definitely one of my problem areas down here. So I've been trying to work on that. I will post some before and after pictures at the end. I have been using this for about, I want to say close to a month, maybe a little less than a month. But I have noticed a change and I can tell that it's working. I want to keep using this weekly and just, I can't wait to see my results after like months. So the R3 Turbo uses a central electrode RF layout where the energy is released from the center of the treatment head like a fountain, spreading outward and activating the surrounding electrodes. So this forms a multi-layered energy field for faster, deeper, and more even thermal stimulation. And the cool thing about this device is it's going to make all of your products that you apply after it just penetrate even deeper into the skin, so they're going to work that much better. That's why I was saying, like, you can use all the creams and serums in the world, but if you don't have a good device that's going to help get those really deep into the skin, and you're not really giving your skin the best that you could be giving it. So this thing is super powerful. But yeah, like I said, it's super gentle. So I'm so happy that I've added this to my routine. So now we are gonna go, I am going to show you guys, they have this, it's a refreshing anti-wrinkle firmness collagen eye mask set. So we are gonna go into my bathroom and I'm gonna show you guys, I tried this for the first time this morning with the eye mask and the little eye patches. And so we're gonna go check that out, and then I will show you guys my before and afters. So first I do wanna talk a little bit about the 3 different modes that it has. So it has the eye care special care mode, and that one is gonna targeted eye care that improves elasticity, fades fine lines and crow's feet, and deeply hydrates for a brighter, firmer look. Now that one is going to be, that's the only one that is a different color. So that one is gonna be like this yellow orangey color. And this has yellow light, EMS plus central electrode radio frequency. You can either use it with the mask that I'm gonna show you guys in a minute, or you can just use this gel as well. Like this is what I've been using for the most part, and I just tried the face mask or the eye mask one this morning. So you can totally just use this. V contour, so if you hit this button one more time, it's gonna show the V-line lifting mode. And this is gonna deliver immediate lifting, enhancing skin elasticity, reducing puffiness, and refining the jawline for more defined facial contours. And who doesn't want that? So that red light is really gonna help with the collagen production too. And that one I used with this gel as well. They do have a V-line, they do have a mask. I didn't get it with my bundle, but they do have a mask too. So you could bundle that in when you get this. And then the full face anti-aging mode, oops, I just turned it off. So that is this one right up here. And that is a multi-level energy deep lifting that reduces pigmentation and redness, smooths fine lines, and brightens the complexion for a visibly firmer and more defined V face contour. So that one is just gonna, it looks exactly like the last one I just showed you, but this one's gonna probably be the most bang for your buck. It's gonna have a little bit of everything. So, and with that one, you're gonna use the gel as well. All right, let's go head to the bathroom and get into it, and I'll show you guys how this thing works. I started by applying the serum gel to my entire face. I worked on my cheeks and forehead for about 2 to 3 minutes on the full face anti-aging mode. I will work on the eyes and the jawline later using the other modes. Make sure to avoid the upper eyelids, eyeballs, throat, and lymph nodes. Next, I'm going to be using the eye care mode, and I'm going to be applying these freeze-dried eye masks. And it's okay if they break, you can just put them on, they'll be fine. And then you apply this mask, and it already has a ton of serum on it, so you don't need to apply any more gel. So I'm going to gently glide around the eyes for about 2 minutes on each side, and I'll keep the eye mask on for about 15 minutes after that, just to let all of the serum absorb into my skin. So I'm going to just leave that mask on while I move on to the V-line lift mode. Now I am going to apply some more of the gel serum just directly to the device and just kind of spread it along underneath my jawline, just so that, make sure that it has enough serum on there. Then I'm just going to glide for 2 minutes on each side, concentrating on my jawline. And then after 15 minutes, I'm just going to take off that eye mask and just kind of pat the extra serum into my under eyes. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have been wondering about one of these radio frequency devices, I say go for it. I like it. You can incorporate this into your routine maybe once or twice a week. I definitely think you're gonna like the results. So I do have a coupon code. This video is not sponsored. They're not paying me, but they did send me this. And I do have a $70 off coupon code. Check out the description box for the link and then use my code right here. Last time I was on there, I did see that these were running low in stock. So if you are wanting one, you might want to go grab it before they're out of stock. I mean, I don't know how long they will be out of stock. So go check out the description box. And then I did want to talk about one of their other devices that I've just been loving. I've talked about this before, but their red light therapy mask. This is the Spectra 5-in-1 LED light therapy mask, and I am telling you, like, I can tell a difference when I don't use this thing. This one, this is their LED mask. I've talked about this before, but I love this one, how it just goes on like, kind of like sunglasses, and I can still see. I can see everything through here, but my eyes are completely protected. And this one is completely hands-free, so you could walk around the house with it and do whatever you want. It is a little heavy, so like you might wanna, like you probably have to hold it. I just like to lay in bed and read a book or scroll my phone while I'm doing this, but it does have 3 separate modes as well. So let's see, let's turn this on. I hope it's charged. So this is the firm mode. This is like the red light therapy one. This is gonna give you the most collagen production out of all three of them. And then there's a purify mode, which is if your skin is maybe inflamed, or if you just need to calm down your skin. This one's gonna help with that. And then there is a glow mode too. The glow mode is just gonna kind of help if you've had a couple late nights and you just need to brighten up that dull skin. That glow mode is gonna help with that. If you are in the market for an LED mask, I do highly recommend this one. It has been a great one. And like I said, I can really tell when I haven't been using it. Like I'll look in the mirror and I'm like, oh my gosh, I need to use my LED mask. Like I can really tell. My skin just feels so much more glowy and just healthier after I use it. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out my links if you are interested in these products so you can get a discount at least. And let me know if you guys have any questions, and hopefully I covered everything. I hope you guys have a good day, and we'll see you all in my next video. Bye.